Welcome to Growth Inspiration TV, where success is inevitable to people who follow our tips and secrets of financial freedom. If you are just seeing our videos for the first time, consider subscribing and turning on your notification button so that you will be notified each time we upload a new video. Have you ever considered your life now, and how it would be if you had more time to spend with your family and fewer worries about money? Nowadays, financial stress is one of the most troublesome weights in life. If you've ever encountered financial stress, you know the difficulty of not having enough income to pay your obligations or bills. Many people say that money is not the ultimate goal of life. While that's true, money certainly plays a very significant role. The meaning of financial freedom changes with the different phases of our life, but ultimately, it is something that many people strive for. In this video, we'll explain how to capture the financial freedom you've been looking for. Watch till the end and consider subscribing if you haven't done that already to learn the secrets to financial freedom. Financial freedom is about having a constant flow of cash from your assets to cover all your regular needs. When you are not worried about your income, or living paycheck to paycheck, you gain a great sense of freedom. It's the freedom to be obtained and do what you truly need to make your way through everyday life. Gaining financial freedom, though, is a process of growth, making small improvements and gaining emotional strength. Though it seems hard to believe, it is really very simple to get financial freedom. To do so, you simply need to make sure that your assets exceed your liabilities. In other words, you'll need to find the sweet spot where your residuals meet or surpass your expenses. This is something that you can achieve with the proper plan. While not every person will accomplish financial freedom, the potential for anyone to do so is certainly there. Anyone can achieve this success, regardless of their income level. Outlined below are 5 secrets that will help you in your goals of achieving financial freedom. 1. Stop unnecessary spending. We often spend money inwardly, instead of objectively. For example, you may spend when you're anxious, depressed, restless, exhausted, from fear of missing out, or to please others. This is a very unhealthy way to handle your finances. To stop this habitual spending, log down all your spending over the course of a month. Just as some people keep a food diary, keep an expense diary. Remember not to just write down how much and what you spent the money on, also include the circumstances of why you spent the money. Was it an impulse buy at the checkout line, or was it something you planned to purchase? This increased self-awareness could enable you to avoid triggering situations in the future when you are considering an impulse buy. 2. Plan a monthly budget. This is a great opportunity to get serious. Take a seat with your spouse or partner and make a monthly budget based on your income, not your expenses. You are never again going to spend more cash than you have on hand. Overspending is the thing that led you to more financial obligations. Make sure you decide every month what is coming in and what will be going out and stick to that budget no matter what. 3. Cut up credit cards. Perhaps you are the type of person who always pays your credit card balance in full before the end of your billing cycle, and enjoys the reward points you gain. If this is the case, then you're already way ahead of the game. If not, you may want to consider ridding your life of the burden that credit cards bring. Many cards have strategies set up so that if you make a certain number of late payments, they will raise your interest rate much higher. This can really add up in the long run, and you won't be doing your financial situation any favors. If you're prone to late payments or have a large balance due on your cards, cut them up. 4. Increase savings. There is no doubt that for a comfortable retirement you must accumulate satisfactory savings throughout your working life. It's good practice to save up to 15% of your income. Start with your workplace 401k, if you have one. If not, a Roth IRA, if you are eligible, or a traditional IRA, if you are not eligible for the Roth, are the next logical steps. Increase in longevity means you might be able to look forward to 25 to 30 years in retirement, or possibly even significantly more. Investing now in good retirement plans will ensure that you have a stable monthly income when the time comes to stop working. 5. Invest wisely. Consider investing in funds. Specifically, you will gain higher returns if you invest in different types of mutual funds such as debt funds, equity funds, and hybrid funds with a proper balance, although it absolutely relies on your personal preferences and sense of risk-taking. To get the most of these benefits, make sure you are investing in a variety of assets. Another resource of investing in mutual funds is SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, where you invest some money every month in funds. SIP works by averaging the per unit price of the stock. Mutual fund investors are aware of the benefits of a SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Thanks for watching.